Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to delete post on Threads. If you are using the newly launched Threads app, and while using it, you have posted some thread, and for any reason you want to delete it, don't worry, today I'll be showing some easy and simple steps to do so. The video will be very interesting and make sure you stick till end. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Open Threads app. Here on the home screen, as you can see some threads that are posted by people using this app. To delete your thread, first go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right profile option. Here you can see this thread that was posted by me. It's a video, so let's delete it. Click on the three dots on your thread. Now click on delete. Click on delete again. Congratulations, now you have successfully deleted your thread on Threads. So, these were some simple steps to follow. We have started Thread app tutorial series. Make sure you check out others too. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.